So hi there everyone, it's your Jamaican girl Norlene. I am back. I've been away for a while, but I have been regrouping, and so I am back once more with another breakfast idea. So I'm doing some steamed cabbage, some tortilla, and an egg on the side. So come on with me. Please remember to like, to share, to subscribe. Turn on your post notification so that you can get a video as soon as I upload them. So I've already threaded my cabbage, some carrots, some onions, some bell peppers, tomatoes, green onions, and thyme. And then I'm going to stir fry this down in some coconut oil. Now, if you know Jamaican thing, it is all about the good tasting coconut oil. It adds maximum flavor. So as you can see, I've browned in my garlic, my onions, guys, and then I've added to that the carrots, and then I add to that the cabbage. Next, guys, I'm gonna add to that some mixed vegetables. This is for color, texture, and flavor. And then after stir it in, I'm gonna add to that my bell peppers and purple onions. Next, I'm gonna stir in some green seasoning. Add to this a piece of butter. Add to that some powder season and my black pepper. And then I'm gonna add my green onions to top it off, and then turn off the stove and allow my butter to melt and flavor. Now, family and friends, I'm gonna encourage you to listen to the word of God. Now, the Bible as an audio app, you can always use it. And remember to increase your faith by hearing the word of God according to Romans 10 verse 17. So guys, I buttered the bottom of my frying pan. I add to that my tortilla, turn it over, then I do a sunny side up egg, and then I plate this nicely for you. It's once again another of my mother's favorite, from my pot, my kitchen, onto my daughter's table. Thank you so much. Remember to like, to share, to subscribe. Of course, turn on your post notification, and I'll see you next time with another video. Let me thank my daughter Danielle for staying in the kitchen with me and enjoying a scrumptious, wonderful Jamaican breakfast.